Guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for your YouTube channel. So guys, this is the website QR code generator. You can visit this website and you can directly make a QR code putting your YouTube channel link over here, but I will prefer and I will show you. First you can sign in. You can sign in with your email. And you can click over here, create a QR code. You can go for website and click over here next. And after that, you have to enter your YouTube channel URL. I will copy from here and I'm going to paste over here and click next. So you can see over here your QR code is ready over here. You can also select the color over here. I will prefer for black. If you want, you can change, and you can also select some styles over here. For example, I will only keep like this, and you can hit the download, and you can also create a short link over here. I will click to download, and after that you can open this. So guys, this is your QR code right over here, and you can see over here my mobile screen. What you have to do is just simply scan your QR code, and you can see over here it will come your channel link. If someone will scan, and it will redirect to your YouTube channel right over here. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.